Alrighty guys, today is Wednesday. That means it is Training Wednesday. I've had a lot of new leads come in from the paid traffic and things of that nature. And like I said before, today is Training Wednesday, and they also have training on Thursdays. I'm going to send out an email to everybody on my list talking about the training. Hopefully they will go to the training that is tonight. So you got Thursday night training, and there should be a Wednesday night training. Should be something talking about Wednesday. Alright, so I believe it's this one. Yeah, it should be that one. So I'm gonna send it out to people who clicked on my link, open emails, and people that has came to the last year being broke plan and who took the survey. Well, it might as well be everybody, might as well, right? Except maybe the personal. That's going to go through regardless. Alright, so let's send this off. I'm going to choose a date to send it. We're going to send it right away, because I want people to get in tune with the training, because that's very important. That's very important, especially if you're like new and you're on somebody's email list. You know, you want to know about things like that, about the training. So let me go to my Gmail and show you. I can show you the leads that I've gotten. Sure, I could do that. And then I can show the email that I just sent. So this is the email that I am referring to. It probably won't look like this. I'm still waiting for all my emails to get sent out. But yeah, it's a live hangout discussing the Power Leads system and breaking it down into baby steps for all the new people. Alright, and as you can see, I've gotten a lot of leads come in this morning, and I'm nowhere close to being done with my solo ads. Not even close. So we're not even halfway done. We're not even close to even halfway to getting all of my clicks yet. I only received a few clicks thus far, and I've gotten a good amount of leads. So that in mind, keep slamming traffic, keep talking about the plan, and make sure you guys attend the training. Because again, I'm here to help you, and the Power Leads system is here to help you as well. And this is every week, every Wednesday, every Thursday, training will take place, and I will make sure I send everybody on my email list an email talking about the plan. All right. So thanks again for watching, guys. See you on the inside.